To operate your BE365 keypad deadbolt from outside, simply enter a valid 4-digit user code. The Schleg button will turn green. When you see the green light, rotate the exterior thumb turn toward the hinges to retract the deadbolt. To lock the BE365 keypad deadbolt from outside, simply press the Schleg button once, then rotate the exterior thumb turn away from the hinges and toward the door jamb until you hear the deadbolt click into place. If you enter an invalid user code, the Schleg button will flash red and the lock will not operate. After 4 attempts with an invalid user code, you will hear 5 high and low beeps. Then the lock automatically shuts down.